about phosphorus doped silicon. Let me just click the brush. And they have given the mobility speed of electrons at the temperature 300 Kelvin is this much speed. Okay, because usually when the electrons, no, really, if you are moving in the sunny climate, you will move differently. Or suppose if you are moving in terms of a cool climate, you will feel somewhat slowing your bike, etc. Because you cannot go fast, as it the cool climate it makes your nerves to be very contract, so that there will be no blood circulation as in the of sunny. But the same thing, when the temperature goes high, when the temperature goes this one, you will get the some difference in the change of speed, etc. Right? So what they say is they have asked the ratio of resistivity. Okay, from 500k to 300k, what's the ratio? That is the one they have asked. So what I say means I give the solution here. Always mu, okay, the mobility will be just directly proportional to t power 3 by 2. It is okay, t power minus 3, because temperature decreases, right? So t power minus 3 by 2, it is always the fact. Okay, now the conductivity. So I have to write the conductivity, how much conduction with respect to the speed. So I can just bring the sigma is equal to q, charge of electrons, n it is carrier, and then mu n. This is for electrons, and this is for holes. I'm writing p into mu p. Okay, there you have to n, here you have to p, mu n, mu p. That's all the difference. So if you go for the calculation, what I say, we have mu n by mu p. Okay, mu n by mu p in terms of for first one of 500k and divided by 300k. So simply, I don't want to think about anything. I can write 500 divided by 300 whole power 3 by 2, because you look at this directly proportional, is it right? So I can have the two zeros cancel. So 5 by 3 whole power 3 by 2, you may get, what is this, 1. So if I just make a 5 by 3, you'll get a 1.667, and you will get a 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 1.5, that is equal to 1.667 power 1.5. So automatically get the value of 2.15, the simple answer. Okay, it is the easiest shortcut for the gate. 2.15 will be the answer, exact answer. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box.